time it is? Who's at school? You ready to have your turn? Yeah.
Where is marbles?
Marbles? I don't think we're going to Marbles.
We've already been.
We already went, but next field trip you're going to go to the strawberry patch.
Hi, Sarah.
Hi, Scarlet.
No, to the pumpkin patch.
The pumpkin patch.
Last time we went.
Oh.
And you missed it.
Scarlet, we are going to find your address. Look. Ready? This is where you live. 3, 4, not Dylan. At circle, our hands need to be in our lap.
I'll sit down.
Ryan, I'm proud of you.
Good choice.
Good choices.
What's good choice? How about B?
Honey, you're making great choices right now. You're sitting crisscross applesauce on your seat. I'm proud of you. But right now we're doing who's at school, so we need to pay attention to Scarlet right now, and then she's going to pick a partner. 3, 4, 9, Longchamp Lane, Cary, North Carolina. That's where Scarlet lives.
Chase is.
Okay, Scarlet, pick a friend to dance with.
I want Chase.
Okay, Chase, come on up. Scarlet, before you dance with Chase, look, I need you to answer a question. Which fruit do you like the best? Strawberries, grapes, or oranges? Which one does Scarlet like the best? Here.
Oranges.
Oranges. Okay, put your address under oranges. Scarlet, come here. Look, you need to put it under oranges. Good work.